Okay, so here are the two boards connected via GPIO. Here's the keyboard. So I made the buffer so I can type like hello world, and here this is like a progress bar. So now I'm gonna hit enter and the transmission will begin. I don't know if you are able to hear the beeps, but it's working. And here the progress bar goes like showing that are transmitting something and how much it's gonna take to transmit the rest. So here it's finished. Here, hello world. At the moment that I start typing the second transmission, the LCD clears by itself. So for example, so it's clear. Let's load it again. So here we go. That's it for now.